of 25% of it that's margin.
But you get in a
I'm to get a portion.
and then they'll
And
pay you back.
they're writing it down. Like, I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
Reading headlines.
Sure, buddy. Oh, yeah? Cool. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of those three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my cousin. That's my cousin. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's niece. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome. It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try schooner.
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys. See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't hear me.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness.
I bet you can.
Yeah.
And
I'm not that
I
loud.
will take somewhere along tomorrow.
Oh, nice hit there. Woo!
Ah.
Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I got to take my brother home.
I forgot it, dude. Too bad it's on. I was one time trying to do
Mike must come back with
somehow I didn't eat it. Oh my goodness, that was like a week after I was down at Philly's Beach.
no shit.
I was down at Philly's Beach. There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton, Paladin, Lee jersey. Oh, they had almost jersey.
Like that. Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he or me? No, you can go.
What's your name?
John.
What's your last name?
First quarter.
That's back off. I'll back off.
Yeah.
Right, you can take it down.
Well, I already know we're 9 points to that.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Tarnatown?
Down by Bulltown.
I know where Bullfrog
Is that what they call Georgetown? We just call it Bullfrog. We call it
Yeah, I could hang out at Bullfrog Inn for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, you got two sisters take it to you.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I actually got more to do.
You can go later on.
I'm not sure if I even gotta take some people along. Well, I
Everybody's like, Intercourse is gonna win. Ladies first.